Hello guys, welcome back again. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show to you how to create a glitch text effect animation on CapCut. So the first thing that you need to do is open your CapCut and then make a new project. And you need to import this kind of blank screen onto your clip like this. And then now the next step, you just need to insert a text onto this clip. So let's type song tips, kind of like this. And then I'm going to go to the fonts and I would like to change the font onto, wait for a moment, let me find it. Maybe let's just use this folk, this one, and I'm going to go to styles and change the font color onto blue color like this. Okay, now when it's done, I'm going to add a bold font, kind of like this, and hit the check button when it's done. Now swipe left your toolbar, hit this lasting text to make the duration from the text and the clip is same duration. Okay, and then you just need to save this clip by clicking export and wait for a moment. Now you can go back to the previous page and you can delete the text like this and this clip. Now import a new clip, and the clip that we are going to import is the text that we are saved before, this one. And then click the clip like this, or maybe you can just on this main toolbar, you just need to go to the effect, go to the video effect, and then here on the search bar, type glitch like this and search. And now let's use this fuzzy glitch, and I'm going to decrease the speed from the effect like this to 20. Then go back, hit the check button when it's done. As you can see, it's already applied to this clip, but I would like to make it more interesting, so I will put the effect onto this duration, this one, and like this. And I'm going to go to the main clip and hit this masking tools and use this mirror mask, and I would like to decrease the size from the mask like this. Okay, decrease it. Put it on the middle, on the center like this, and I'm going to add a keyframe onto it as the opening, and I would like to slowly open the mask like this. Slowly open it to create a kind of like text revealing effect on it like this. This one I'm going to open it up. Okay. Positioning the mask, make sure it has a 0-degree rotation like this, and hit the check button when it's done. The final result of it will be look like this. And if you want to adding more effect onto it, you can just go to the end duration from the effect and then add the keyframe, swipe left your toolbar, go to the mask, and you can close the mask like this. Just like that. And now hit the check button when it's done, and I'm going to show to you the result one more time. And that's the way how to create it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.